we are now starting making program for this our lathe machine. Right now here at the front there is a 6 dia material, and after that something 8 is a material. We are going to turn all of the material till here. So for that I am going to make program regarding this job. Here I have already set x and z axis for the according to the job. Right now I am doing program. So now I am OD turning right now. So I want to make the length for this turning length. I will put here minus 10 minus 15 mm. Okay, let's check once 15 mm is available or not from here. Okay, no problem, 15 mm is available. So I am putting 15 here, and after that I want to make a dia for 5 mm, or let's we put here 4 mm dia. I want 4 mm dia. I am starting from 7.3 mm because the at the end of the this with non-turn area is a larger area. Let's check once. Oh, this is a larger area, so we will start from 8.1 mm. Okay, we will start 8.1 mm, and here clearance, roughing fit rate, roughing cut depth, other things are already set. We will already put from past G code. I have created this G code. I will save settings. I am going to back screen. After exiting this, I am going to auto mode. I will select G code here. I will start spindle from here, and I am going to start program from now. From start it will here you can check the simulations and the turns, so that you can get idea for this. You can check here, and here is a G code, so that you can check G code here, and the actual movement of the machine tool you can check here. The last pass, so that it will move in slowly. Program has been done, so I am putting the spindle off, and after that I am moving the axis far from the object, so that we can calculate the distance. Okay, so you can see the object is finishing is very accurate and very finish and very smooth. So that I am going to check for dia first. Six mm is dia, I think. 6 mm is put it from here. Get clip once that some mistake and something. Okay, I have not stored 4 mm here. It is 6 mm. So that 6 mm is here. You can check 6 mm, and the length is it's accurate. 15 mm, we got 15 mm here, so that 15 mm length and 6 mm dia is finished by G code. Thank you.